As an architect, designer, or roofing consultant, you strive to provide roofing systems that feature leak-free performance, low operating costs, and FM-approved durability. Enter spray foam roofing, the pinnacle of modern roofing solutions. Spray foam roofing offers unparalleled protection from water penetration for new construction projects. The majority of roof leaks come from broken seams and poorly sealed penetrations. Because spray foam is a continuous application, there are virtually no seams to deal with. Each pass of foam is feathered into the next, creating a monolithic barrier against water penetration. This continuous insulating layer greatly reduces thermal expansion contraction of the structure underneath, which can tear and separate seams in non-spray foam roofing applications. Spray foam is a self-flashing product, meaning it can be applied around irregular penetrations and complicated shapes that otherwise would require intricate and troublesome flashing details. Our low GWP, low embedded carbon solutions are eco-friendly and are easily recoated in the future, extending the lifespan and life cycle cost of your roofing. Code compliance includes GCMC FM severe hail rating for challenging climatic events. Class A fire performance mitigates urban wildfire interface concerns. And the fully adhered spray foam assembly provides enhanced wind uplift resistance for hurricane-prone areas. For new construction projects that demand the best in quality, durability, and efficiency, spray foam roofing stands unrivaled. Elevate your designs and secure your investments with the premier roofing solution. General Coatings, roofing made simpler.